Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming basics, battery above 20% and your passcode ready because some changes require authentication. Next, open Settings and tap Accessibility. This takes you straight to Assistive controls. Once there, locate Touch or Physical and Motor, then select AssistiveTouch. Make sure you don't skip authentication prompts. You're now at the control panel where resets and customizations live. Proceed only after you see the AssistiveTouch switch on screen and the menu options available. You'll reset settings by first toggling AssistiveTouch off, wait a few seconds, then toggle it back on. This clears temporary glitches. Next, tap Customize top-level menu to review icons. Once open, choose Reset to Default to restore the standard layout and actions. If you've assigned custom gestures, go to Create New Gesture and delete any unwanted ones. Once done, the on-screen floating button should behave normally because the default mappings replace corrupt or conflicting shortcuts. Finish by testing single tap, double tap, and long press behaviors to confirm functions work as expected. Perform each action several times. If issues persist, restart the device to clear residual state, then recheck AssistiveTouch. Make sure your iOS is up to date because software fixes often resolve bugs. If none of that helps, back up and restore settings or contact support. One key tip: if the button won't respond, restart first. Most responsiveness problems clear with a simple reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.